Hello, my name is Nisha. I am from Russia. I will teach you the Russian language. Every lesson, you going with me. In typical situation, for beef in Russia. For example, today we go in the restaurant. Our plan. First, we watch story. Second, we cut words and I explain how to speak. Understand? Good. Let's start. Короче, мы уже в ресторане. Очень сильно хочу кушать. Слона бы съел. Посмотрим меню. Так, я выбрал. Официант,
Здравствуйте, добро пожаловать. Что выбрали?
пожалуйста, уху и селедку под шубой.
А пить будете?
Да нет, наверное.
A few moments later.
Вот ваше блюдо. Приятного аппетита.
Спасибо.
A few moments later.
Как я наелся. Сейчас лопну. Можно счет?
Конечно. Вам картой или наличными?
Наличными, пожалуйста.
Отлично. Вам все понравилось?
Понравилось все, кроме счета. Let's break down the keywords, pronunciation and grammar from this restaurant dialogue. Очень сильно кушать. Очень means very. Сильно means strongly. Together, очень сильно translates to very much. Кушать is a polite, slightly softer verb for to eat. In context, очень сильно хочу кушать. I really want to eat. Посмотрим means let's see. In context, посмотрим меню. Let's take a look at the menu. Официант means waiter. Stress is very important in Russia, but you always can be more polite if you want, bro. Try it. Извините. Excuse me. And можно вас? Could you? Do you know difference between привет and здравствуйте, my friend? Привет is hi, informal for friends. Здравствуйте is hello, formal. Firstly, I need to tell you that we have two versions of you in Russia. Ты is informal, for friends, kids, and pets. We is formal, for strangers, elders, and waiters. It's actually pretty easy to remember. If someone is a we person, you say здравствуйте. If there's a ты person, you say привет. So waiter, in my case, use we, because he respect me. First word will be very useful. Спасибо, meaning thank you. The next one is блюдо, meaning dishes or meals. The waiter says, вот ваше блюдо? Here are your dishes. What about dishes? Уха. What is it? A traditional clear Russian fish soup, often made with fresh catch like salmon or pike, root vegetables and herbs. I like it so much. The next one is селедка под шубой. What is it? Literally herring under a fruit cut. Yes, I'm not lying to you, my new friend. It's a famous Russian salad. Pickled herring covered with layers of potatoes, carrots, beets, onions, and a lot of mayonnaise. Sounds crazy, tastes amazing. There are the fixed phrases you will hear in almost every cafe, bar, or restaurant in Russia. Добро пожаловать, meaning welcome. Что вы выбрали? Meaning, what have you chosen or what would you like to order? Приятного аппетита, meaning enjoy your meal. Можно счет, meaning can I have the bill? It is the most natural way to ask to pay. Super useful phrase. Works everywhere. Cafes, restaurants, bars. And last one, картой или наличными, meaning card or cash. How to reply? Just repeat the one you want. Картой, by card, or наличными, in cash. Here's where the Russian language gets colorful, confusing, and highly entertaining. Слона бы съел, meaning I'm starving. Direct translation, I would eat an elephant. American equivalent, I could eat a horse. Russian people love dramatic hunger. Сейчас лопну, meaning I am incredible full. Direct translation, I'm going to burst right now. It is a fun, slightly dramatic way to tell the waiter or someone else the food was plentiful, and they physically cannot take another bite. Понравилось все, кроме счета, meaning I like everything except the bill. A classic dead joke to use at the end of a good meal, guaranteed to get a polite chicle out of your waiter. Да нет, наверное. Direct translation, yes, no, probably. Actual meaning, probably not, or I think no. What does it mean no? In Russian, да at the start often works like well in English. Нет is the real answer, and наверное, what means probably, softens it. So, да нет, наверное, literally means, yeah, probably not. Now that you've learned a lot of new things, go watch the restaurant scene one more time, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you love your mother. Пока. Goodbye.